My great friend Fred Blood from One Stop Diecast just sent me that. The new mix from Hot Wheels Car Culture series, and I believe it's the most amazing mix from 2022. And you have to agree with me because there's two new cars here and they are spectacular. And Fred is an old friend. We talked since I started to hunt in 13 years ago, and finally we are making a partnership. And I want you to help me to watch this video for him to send me more cars to reveal in this channel. This one you might be finding in stores right now, but you can order the next series, the next mixes, and some other brands in onestopdiecast.com. So I suggest you to go to their websites and go to Instagram for the news. They are always putting new things from a lot of brands, from Hot Wheels, premium Hot Wheels, from Matchbox and everything. Well, let's talk about this mix. In my opinion, this one is the best of the mix and the best, maybe the best car from 2022. Why? Because this car is a partnership between Hot Wheels, Mattel, and Liberty Walk, the Japanese company that put crazy body kits in some real cars, and that one is perfect like the real one. So you're seeing on screen now the real car, and that one is the Hot Wheels version. That's really amazing. You can see there are perfect decals everywhere in the right spots, and most of that there is a chase version of this car. What is a chase? Another chase in Hot Wheels? Yes, because in 2022 there's a new way for Car Culture series. Every mix has a chase and it's in black. So I'm showing you in the screen right now all the mixes we had in 2022 from Car Culture, and you can see they are great. Every mix has a theme and showing the Car Culture in the United States and all over the world, like they did with Car Culture since ever. And this is the third mix. All the mixes had a chase car painted in black with the same decals but painted black, and that one in black is superb. It's really outstanding, in my opinion, of course. There's a new other car. It's the Toyota Celica, a very popular car in the United States and Japan. It was not an expensive car in the time they released it, that real one, and that replica, this Hot Wheels car is really great, as you can see here. There's three others. They are not new. They appeared in other series before. The Toyota Trueno had appeared in Boulevard series, but I really like it, those manga decals here. You can see in the car. It's a great work. I really love it. Some people didn't like the decals. There's the Mitsubishi 3000 GT, and that one is not new. It has appeared in Car Culture Series 2. And the Honda NSX that appeared first in Fast and Furious series, and it's coming back now on Car Culture. So you can see here. And what's the premium series from Hot Wheels? As you know, there's a basic series, as you can find them in the shops, in the Walmart, Target, and everywhere, and the basic line. And there's premium series like Car Culture, Boulevard, Replica Entertainment, Pop Culture, and Teen Transport, and some others. And these cars has metal base and rubber tires. So this is the main difference, and they are well done. They have better decals, and Car Culture is, in my opinion, the best premium series from Hot Wheels because they most of the cars are really good cars. So the intention from Mattel is to have no peg warmers in this series, in this collection. So of course there's some of them they're not so good in some mixes and they go to peg warmers in stores, but most of them are really good. So this one I believe it's the best one until now, but there's more coming from Car Culture this year. We already know the listings of the cars of these mixes, as you can see in the screen now. There's a new mix showing the collection of the legend Jay Leno, that is one of the biggest car collectors in the world. He has some amazing cars. Hot Wheels did another partnership with him, showing the cars some cars from his collection. 5 cars plus 1 chase. And there's another mix with Japanese cars coming soon too. We have the list of the cars too, as you can see in the screen right now. So I want to thank you again, Fred, to sending me the cars. It's really nice for my channel that I'm growing right now. After growing as Chi Hunted in my blog and in the social media, I'm now in YouTube, and I ask you to go to his site, go to his Instagram page and follow him and order from him, because Fred will send me more cars to review here in the channel. So thank you again for following me on YouTube, on my social media, and I ask you again to follow me here in YouTube, like this video, tell your friends that Chi Hunted is finally on YouTube channel now. So if this video goes well, I will make more videos in English, and I apologize for my bad English, but I'm always open to do more videos in English. And if you have any doubt or any suggestion for me to make more videos, please leave your comment here, and don't forget to follow my YouTube channel and to send this link to your friends so they can watch and they can help me to grow this channel. Thank you again, and I see you soon.